Tired of watching your crypto gains disappear into thin air because of Coinbase fees? Does it feel like every time you make a move, a chunk of your money goes straight to the exchange? Well, you're not alone. Many new crypto investors are surprised by just how much those fees can add up, especially on a platform known for its user-friendly experience. The standard Coinbase app is great for beginners, but it's not the most cost-effective. When you use the buy or sell button, you're hit with two different charges, a transaction fee and a spread. The transaction fee is a flat fee or percentage based on your order size and payment method, and the spread is a hidden cost, a slight difference between the buy and sell price that Coinbase takes. But here's the secret to saving money: you need to use Coinbase's more advanced platform. No, not Coinbase Pro, that's been integrated into the main app. What you're looking for is Advanced Trade. You can access it by switching the trading mode on the platform. It gives you the power to place limit orders, which means you can set the exact price you want to buy or sell at. This is a game changer because with Advanced Trade, you pay a much lower maker-taker fee, which is based on your trading volume. The more you trade, the lower your fees. Best of all, there's no spread. Another key to avoiding high fees is to be strategic with how you fund your account. Always use an ACH transfer to deposit funds. It's free and it's the most common way to move money from a U.S. bank account. Avoid using a debit or credit card at all costs, as the transaction fees can be as high as 3.99%. And finally, consider a subscription to Coinbase One. For a monthly fee, you can get zero trading fees on many assets, plus other benefits like boosted staking rewards and priority support. While there is still a spread on some simple trades, this can be a great option if you trade frequently. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.